everyone, so what patterns do you want to have in your stash to cover all of the basic garments for smocking? I think it goes down to kind of 4 categories. First and foremost, you're going to want to have a good bishop pattern. Definitely for smock garments, it's just like, it's one of those gems as a smock bishop. I like to use the Children's Corner one. I've heard really good things though about the Cherry Williams pattern, but I've never used it. I really should use it. Either way, just get yourself a good bishop pattern, whatever, you know, they come in a range of fullnesses and whatever, and just get one that suits your preferences. But you're definitely going to want to have at least one bishop pattern in your stash. Next, you're going to want to have, like, at least I think, you're going to want to have a bubble in your stash, and this is very gender neutral. I love the CC Jamie pattern. It's a great bang for your buck. You can do, you know, take the yokes and bodice pieces in there and use them for dresses and whatnot. But yeah, the bubble is great. I think it comes together really lovely. I've got a lot of videos on that bubble. And it's, like I said, it's a great gender neutral thing. You can have it so it's smocked under. Daisy's down here jumping. I can't remember if I mentioned that or not. She's in her little jumper thing. But it's a great classic shape, so you can put a wealth of embellishments on it, whether that's smocking or whatever, and you can put smocking under the yoke for a boy or a girl. And then another thing I think is good to have, and this is more for like the, you know, very fresh babies, kind of like newborn, 0 to 3 month, that sort of thing, are like layette gowns. Am I saying that right? I don't know, probably not. But Old Fashioned Baby has a number of patterns, and some of them are fully smocked, where like she'll have like the front of the gown open, like button down the gown. And then some of them, and on those, like some of them are fully smocked from one shoulder to the other shoulder, and some are just smocked like a little bit on the shoulder, just to one side. It's just a range of things. And then the last category, last but certainly not least, are those boys, because boys deserve to have some pretty clothing too. This is the time for it, you know, like this is the time for lace and smocking and cute little ducks and all the yummy goodness, like they're little ones, you know, take advantage of it. So a great one, another good bang for your buck, are the Children's Corner, same thing, Basics for Boys Volume 3, whatever, or there's like a 3rd number on it. I guess it's the 3rd edition of it. I don't really know, but there's a 3rd number on it. That one's great. It's got a view for like smaller boys, you know, younger boys. It has like the bubble bottoms to it for the shorts, and then it also has the older style, like, you know, when when the boys get older, they have shorts instead of like the bubble. Am I making any sense? I need some more coffee. Anyway, I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them. And as always, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I hope to catch y'all next time. Yeah.